Guys, it's Claire from Annique Fashion Blog. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my everyday makeup look. It's very plain, very easy to do, so let's jump right into it.
I want to feel that you want it. I want to feel by the morning. I want to feel that you want it. Oh, let me feel what you are. Flashes on matches, splashes of ashes, embers are rising, smoke fills the skies, and wind blows in and crashes, waves over the ashes, tails washed up in violet, eyes closed up to hide it.
Alright guys, well this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it. Leave your comments below what your thoughts are and if you have any recommendations. And yeah, be kind, be safe, and have a great day. Ciao.